In this video, we will be making a mini project of LED chaser, LED dancing, and control LED patterns using push button. So welcome to our channel, Shubtronics. Till now, we have learned about digital input, digital output, input, analog output, and hardware interrupts. Thus, using this, let us make an LED chaser circuit. For this, we will be using 10 LED connected from pin 3 to 13 using resistor and push button and interrupt pin, that is digital pin 2. In starting of code, global variables are defined. Pin number 2 is defined as an interrupt pin. Check function is an ISR with debouncing of button. Whenever button is pressed, it counts from 1 to 6 because in main loop the variable count value will define which pattern will be running. Value 1 will represent to pattern 1, 2 to pattern 2 and so on. In void setup, digital pin 3 to 13 are defined as output pins. Interrupt pin is defined using input pull up and using attach interrupt function. Check is defined as ISR with falling inputs as triggers. In this code, there are 6 patterns. First is a symmetric blinking pattern in which LED lights up in symmetric pattern. Pin 3 and pin 13 LED go together. Pin 4 and 12 glow together and etc. in the same order. In pattern 2, it's a moving wave of light from LED 3 to 13. As it progresses, previous LEDs turns off. In pattern 3, alternate blinking. Even number LEDs are turned on, odd numbers LEDs are turned off. They swap their state after every 150 milliseconds. Pattern 4, in which one LED will be on and it will go from one end to another end and vice versa. Pattern 5 will be a center out expansion, like first center LED will glow and then nearby LEDs will start glowing. In the same way, first center LED will be off, then nearby LEDs will be off. And pattern 6, which will be a random blinking. Using a random function, we will be blinking any LED from pin number 3 to pin number 13. You can see whenever we press the button, it starts. This is pattern 1. This is pattern 2. This is pattern 3. This is pattern 4. This is pattern 5. This is pattern 6 random. Hope you guys like this video. Drop a like, share, subscribe. You can leave your queries in comment section. See you in next video. Thank you.